Hello, Mr. Abel. We have a tour for you today.
Hey, how are you? My name is Mr. Abel. I teach facilities maintenance at the Islip Career Center. During my class, we turn around and teach a lot of different components. Basic electricity, basic plumbing, basic wiring of outlets, lights, and we also do a whole component on custodial. Custodial is one of our components where we also go out into the field and we do internships. I like to get the kids out in the field as much as I can, so it's a real life setting and the possibility of them getting jobs. To overcome that fear of getting their first job, it's nice that if they're in the setting and they're already working, it really is worked out well. So with the facilities maintenance class, why don't you come on in and I'll show you around. So we have the KVAC 1850, and what we're going to do is use the KVAC to clean the bathroom. And it's called a no-touch cleaning method because no one enjoys cleaning the bathroom, and you can use this machine to clean the bathroom and actually have the machine do all the work for you. The first process is taking the KVAC, and we have a injector wand here, and we're going to use the injector wand to put down the chemical. Use the brush on the floor real quick to get anything that's heavy duty, that's a problem. So right off the bat, you're going to start very close. This way it's dry wherever you step. So the last step to the no-touch dry system is we're going to air dry it with warm air from the vacuum. So it's blowing hot air right now onto the floor. And when he's done with this here, the bathroom will be completely dry. Welcome, come on in. My name is Mr. Abel. I teach the facilities maintenance program at the Islip Career Center. During my training at the Islip Career Center, we actually do a unit on custodial work. And part of the custodial work is cleaning, obviously. And after I give a lesson in class, I like to reinforce it and take the students out in the field and then have the students practice what they've learned in the classroom. So for today, we're at a local restaurant and we're going to learn how to clean and sanitize a table.
All right, perfect. Great job.